Sunday.
Hi guys. What's
Hello. Yeah, I think you are correct by that.
Yeah.
That needs to be skipped by Sunday. So yeah, it's probably the most important to work on then for now.
Yeah, so Casey told me to work hard on it. So yeah, I have been working from like 2 to 3 hours on it. So yeah, I have to make it done somehow.
Okay.
But I will finish up my little works like Rondamic and the other one.
Yep.
Yeah, that's all.
Okay. Sounds good. Habib, I don't think you have anything assigned to you right now. Is that correct?
exactly nothing here.
Okay.
I'm waiting for a new one.
Yes. Yeah, I think I have some things I can assign to you.
Okay.
It's just content updates again, right? Nothing too big. So I will assign that to you as soon as I can.
Okay.
And Sure, what else do you have assigned to you? Just Rondamico, Casey's PM, and then now the birdhouse. Sorry, maybe Sharab is busy. Can you hear me, Sharab?
So are you there?
Sorry, I was mute.
That's okay. That's okay. Maybe maybe the birdhouse is something that
Yeah, if Habib
Habib can do.
Habib wants, he can work on it. No problem.
Okay. Yeah, let me share then with you, Habib.
Okay, I'm here. I have to work.
Yeah, here, I'm just going to explain to you what it is then, okay?
Okay.
So remember there was the text here below it. So we just need to put it back in. I already created that task again. I could assign it to you now. So we're just gonna put the text in, put it right below, and make it the same font. You did a good job before, but I think Shara was making changes for mobile, and he might have took it out.
Okay.
It's okay
So,
though.
one question for this one. Do you need for phone version also tab version in this text? What you say about the text under this text, right? So there was a text. I have seen it. So do you need it on phone version also tab version?
I'm not sure if I understood that. What do you mean?
Yeah, so he wanted to say that the text underneath the.
Okay. Now I understand. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, I think so. I think we want it on both on web and on mobile version.
Okay.
Yeah.
I'll check and
Let's put it on both, and then we'll see what they say. If they don't want it on mobile, we'll take it off. Okay. All right. Thanks, guys. We can get out of here.
Okay. Yeah.
It's a good week.
Everyone.
Yep. Have a nice weekend if I don't talk to you.
You too. Bye.
All right. Bye.